Norwich.
You're going to be doing this every 2 minutes.
Ayan. Come on, be. Walk. Ayan.
Bring your camera to down here, okay?
Okay.
Just on the camera.
Ayan, dito tayo sa one of the old street here in Norwich. Isabella, stop. Stop for a bit. Tingnan nyo guys yung na yun, no? Yung na yan, building. Na siya sa kalumaan. Naglin na siya, nakakatakot, diba? Ayan.
Oh, you put your head right in.
Let's walk around here. This alleyway. It's very quiet here on a Saturday. Isabella, come. Keep walking. There's another church in front of. There's so many churches here. Just in front of the cathedral. This church. It's this very tiny alleyway. Ayan. Dito tayo, gara. Napaka-quiet ng Saturday night. Ayan, the Japanese restaurant over there. Ayan. We're gonna walk around here. Grabe, walang tao. Come here, be. Be here. Come here, be. Ayan, walang tao dito.
It's called coming down.
Saturday, pero walk on the path, sweetie. Sabado, walang katao-tao. Ayan, lakad lang tayo dito. Lamig. Lakad, video, picture. Ayan yung isa nagpipicture. Ayan ang batang makulit. Magja-jump. Come on, jump. Jump. Jump in there. Oh, come here, sweetie.
Come on, sweetie.
Come on, you follow daddy. Follow daddy. Just walk on the path. No need to hold daddy's hand. Just walk on. Dito lang tayo pang content sa YouTube. Ito din hindi pa namin nararating na ilang years na kami dito pero hindi pa kami dito nakakaikot. Ang Norwich hindi pa namin talaga naiikot. Ayan lang tayo guys. Contemporary living, creative, heart of Norwich. What is this? I don't know. Residents only power break. Weekend walk lang tayo guys. Have some fresh air. Ayan guys, another church. Napakadaming church dito pero empty naman, nakakasad. Walang mga tao. Nakakasad lang tingnan ang mga simbahan dito, hindi pinapasok ng mga tao. Ginawa na lang mga museum. Ayan. And ito, may shops dito ng mga antique shop, collectibles and vintage clothing. Dito tayo. Dito pala yon yung gusto niyang puntahan. Sige. There's so many algae here. Dito tayo. Oh, I remember this one. We had a photo in this one. Breton's Arm. Like that one. Another leaning building. Napaka-old na mga building kaya yung iba mga tumagilid na pero still working pa rin. Still good pa rin, in good condition pero kung ano yung nakakatakot. Ginawa siyang restaurant. Nakikita niyo guys, ayan tabi-tabing hinga. Dito lang tayo. Lalakad. Itong street na to guys, ano to? Maraming dito, nag-shooting na Hollywood movies. Struggling. There. Dito marami nang nag-shoot dito na movies.
What movie was this again?
Hey?
What movie was this in?
I can't remember what movies, but it's a lot of movies. It's like nights movie like that. There you go. Yung niya, daanan niya dito, yung road is cobbles. Cobbles, this one, yeah, cobbles. Yeah, cobblestones. Kaya pag mahirap dito, pagka yung meron kang dalang, may dala kang push chair, napakahirap i-push. Kasi kawawa ang baby dahil aalog-alog. Ayan, ito, alam mo tong shop na to, it's been going through how many years and decades na. This one, I think. This is one of the very old shop here in Norwich, located here in Elm Street. There you go. Diba? The bear shop. There's a lot of gusto mong mag-collections ng mga stamp. Ayan. Ayan, nagsisell sila. Sinupot-supot na stamp na gusto mong mag-collect ng stamps, yan, dito ka lang bibili. Ayan, ulit tayo. Hindi ba ang ganda, diba? Dito, ito one of the oldest bookshop here in Norwich, the Dormouse bookshop, books bought and sold. Ayan, nowadays wala nang masyadong nag-aano ngayon ng mga books dahil everything is, yeah, we go back because everything is internet now, so nowadays is people's not reading books now. Even oldest now is like they have a Kindle instead of real books, so the books will be out. Oh, I thought there's a car. Oh, there's a car coming, I think. Ayan guys, yeah. This is yeah, we did. You did?
Well, let's try to, because I've seen the cars now.
It's a very nice. This is one of the oldest street in Norwich. Don't go up here.
What's the block here?
Hey? Don't go up here if you have a push chair, because it's not good for baby. What you say? Beaton Arms. This is the only house in Elms Hill to escape the fire of 1507. Wow, ito pala ang itong bahay pala na to is the only house in Elm Hill to escape the fire ng year 1507. Oh my god, 1500s, it's very old na. And the colors date from the 13th century. In the early 15th century, it was a bit, I don't know how to pronounce, a community of lay single women who devoted themselves to a life of prayer and charitable work. Wow! This is the house. That's why it's parang siya talaga naglining na talaga siya kasi talagang very old na. It's a 15th century pa pala to. Kaya pala ganyan. Amazing. I think they restored it already because it's 15th century. Look at that. That's the one that's only
There's only so much you can do.
only house that survived the fire. There.
You're on the path.
Yeah.
See,
Yeah, they become museum hall. There. Yeah, tayo.